program is brought to you in part by...
What's up, guys? I'm here in 6B and, just chilling in the classroom. I was gonna teach here today. However, my friends hit me up and they said, yo, come to the Big Apple and come teach here. New York City. So I was like, all right, I'll go. Let's do it.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, a week, a month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
We made it! And check out that view. That is a sight, if you ask me. Well, I think we're gonna go take a walk. You guys wanna come with? Times Square. Isn't it a sight? I love me some concrete jungle. Well, this is where we're going to be teaching today. Perfect. Let's do this. Math group, are you guys ready to start our emoji circles project? Well, I am. And I'm going to give you a few examples along the way. Let me show you the first one. Here is my first emoji, and he's a circle. Well, he or she is a circle. And I call this laughing so hard I'm crying. Anyone know what kind of figure of speech that is? Good, if you said a paradox, you are correct. Now, laughing so hard I'm crying. Now, what I have to do is I have to find the perimeter and area of this emoji. And it's a circle, so I know all the formulas. Let's solve the perimeter first. I like doing perimeter first. And can you guys review me? What is the formula of perimeter? Good, it is diameter times 3.14. That's it. And our diameter is already given, it's 18, so I'm going to do 3.14 multiplied by 18. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 plus 3 is 11. 8 times 3 is, good, 24 plus 1 is 25. That's our first partial product. Now, it's just a placeholder 0 and 1 times 3.14 all the way across, so I can just fill that in. And now I add my two partial products. 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. And the perimeter of my laughing so hard I'm crying is 56 and 52 centimeters. Now, let's solve for the area. And the area formula is radius times 3.14. Now, my radius here would be 9 because that's half of my diameter. So I already know 9 times 9 is 81, so I can skip that step. And you can too if you know your math facts. So I have 81. Now it's just multiplying by 1 all the way across, so I'll just repeat 3.14. Now, placeholder, now it's 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 plus 3 is 11. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 1 is 25. And I get, let's go ahead and add them up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 25. Don't forget about your decimal places. 1, 2, 1, 2. And the area of my laughing so hard I'm crying is 254 and 34 hundredths centimeters squared. So there you have it. That's all you have to do for your circle emoji. Go ahead and you can take a picture, take some notes if you'd like. Good. And guess what? No interactive question. So that ends our lesson, girls. Good job. Let me go ahead and erase this board. Well guys, I think we're gonna take a little break. So if you have a snack or a drink, go ahead and get it out and enjoy this commercial break.
Commercial break with Lincoln, Braden, Carter, Palmer, and featuring Sullivan Reader.
I'm waking up, I'm staying home. I start my worksheet on homophones. I'm breathing in cleaning chemicals. I'm staying in, getting fat, and checking into this crisis. This is it, coronavirus.
I'm waking up, there is no more for school. Absolutely nothing to do. Welcome to this virus, to Corona. Welcome to this virus, to Corona. Whoa, whoa, it's radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, it's radioactive, radioactive. I'm stuck at home, super bored. It's a stay-at-home order, I suppose. We'll grab our mask to fit right in.
Whoa, it's so bad. It's like we've been plundered in to the land of Osiris. This is it, coronavirus. Whoa, I'm waking up. There is no more stinking school. Absolutely nothing left to do. Welcome to this virus, coronavirus. Welcome to this virus, coronavirus. Whoa, whoa, it's radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, it's radioactive, radioactive.
Can't see my friends or anyone. Get ready for more. It's just begun. I'm waking up. There's no more stinking school. Absolutely nothing left to do. Welcome to this virus, to Corona. Welcome to this virus, to Corona. Radioactive, radioactive. Radioactive, radioactive.
Welcome back. And what took you guys so long? It's already nighttime here. Must have been a long commercial. Let's get started. Math group, are you ready for your second example? Well, after this one, you will have an interactive question. And I'm going to show you my emoji for my semicircle. Go ahead and check it out. So my semicircle has some semicircle shades and a little bit of a smirk. He looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna call him TC. Does anybody know what TC stands for? Nice! If you said too cool, then good job, because he is too cool. Now, what we have to do with too cool is find his area and perimeter. Now, let's talk about perimeter first, and that is diameter times pi times 1/2 plus length. Plus length is the part a lot of people forget, and that's just repeating the diameter, just adding that on, because it's not just the arc, it's this length as well. Now, we know our diameter is 24, and we know that pi is 3.14, so let's start there. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 plus 1 is, good, 5. 4 times 3, good, 12. That's our first partial product, placeholder, which is 0. 2 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 2. And 2 plus 3 is 6. Add them together. Good, and I have 75 and 3600ths. Now I need to multiply by 1/2, or you can divide by 2, which is what I'm going to do. And I have 75 and 3600ths. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. And bring down to 5. 2 goes into 5 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. 2 goes into 13 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. Bring down my 6. And 2 goes into 16 8 times. So now I have steps 1, 2, and 3 done. I just need to add my length. So I'm going to shoot over here and have 37 and 6800ths plus my length is 24. And I have 8, 6, 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. And the perimeter is 61 and 6800 centimeters. There you have it. That is TC's perimeter. Now, or circumference. Now, let's work with the area. And the area is radius times pi times 1/2. So, my radius is 12, and I already know 12 times 12 is 144. So I'm going to start there. 3.14 times 144. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. Guess what? You're multiplying by 4 again, so you can just repeat that with the placeholder. Then you're multiplying by 1. You know what to do there. You have 2 placeholders, and you're just going to repeat 3, 1, 4. And you can add them in. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 5 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. 1 is 2. Plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So now I have 452 and 1600ths. And I need to divide by 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times. Bring down my 5. 2 goes into 5 also 2 times. But there's a remainder, 1. Bring down your 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. And I subtract to get a 0. 2 cannot go into 1, so that's a 0. But 2 can go into 16 8 times. So, our area for TC, or too cool, would be 226 and 800 centimeters squared. Alright, go ahead and take a picture. Pause, screenshot, whatever you need to do. Good. Now, you're going to answer this semicircle question in 3, 2, 1. Awesome job, guys. Make sure you get that in a Google email and send it to me, okay? Well, that wraps up our lesson. Ooh, I don't know about you guys, but I could go for some coffee right now. And I heard there's this really, really great place here in New York. I heard about it from my friends. I think it's called Central Perk. Now, New York is a huge place. I don't want to go looking for it. So I'm just going to enter it in. Teleportation watch. Teleport there. Let's do it. What? It's closed? But I saw people in there. Hey, let me in.